in this video, I'm going to talk about Aptos Build organizations. So this is a new feature that we introduced to make it easier to manage resources as an organization or a company. So as a quick overview, in the previous state of Aptos Build, the way this worked is me, a user, like Dport at aptoslabs.com, would own a variety of resources. So like a no-code indexing, gas station, and a group of API keys, something like that. The problem with this setup is it made it very hard to collaborate. People would tend to do something where they create a shared email account and log in that way. This is not necessarily very great for security, and just makes the user experience quite awkward overall. So in the new setup, the way it works is we've introduced organizations. So me as a user, Dport at aptoslabs.com, can either own or be a member of multiple organizations. So in this case, we've got Dport Personal Org and Bingo Labs. Those organizations can then own multiple projects, and then those projects have multiple resources. You'll also notice that everything to do with usage, like credit and usage system limits and stuff that I will talk about in another video, apply on an organization basis, not a user basis. So let's go through the UI. So this is what you see when you first load into Aptos Build. You can see here the organization selector. So if you want to switch between different organizations that you're a member of, you can do that here. Going back, you can also do that here. And then here you can choose which project you want to work with. So let's say default project. Now this is the projects view. If we want to go back to the organization view, you just do this, and then you can select the projects. And then this is the resources view, and you can see a particular resource like Dport testing, and you can see your key. Now, if I wanted to add users to my organization, I just go down to this users button here and click add user. You can choose which role to give them. So let's say I'm going to make Justin at aptoslabs.com a admin of my organization. And there you go. So then next time he logs into Aptos Build, he'll be able to select this from his organization's pickup. And you'll notice that usage and billing information is all particular to the organization, not the user. That's it, a very brief overview of Aptos Labs organizations.